Hey, can I help you?
I hope so. Madam, we were using our drone to follow a family of turtles, and we thought it might have crashed in your backyard.
Oh yeah, it's here, come on in. So you guys like turtles?
Yeah.
That's awesome. Time's up, motherfuckers.
Shit, it's a trap.
You think I give a fuck about turtles?
We're sorry, we just wanted to learn how to kiss.
Lucas, it's none of their business.
We should have just told the truth. We're going to a kissing party and none of us have ever kissed and we're scared.
God damn it, Lucas. I had sex before, but I never kissed a girl.
Just go online and type in how to kiss, that's what everyone does.
Oh.
It's very easy.
Look, can we please have the drone back? It's a BD rolling thunder, it's my dad's, he needs it for work, can I please have it back? I really need it, please.
I don't think so.
If you don't give it back, I'll tell my dad you stole it.
And I'll tell him that you're a pervert, we'll tell the whole school.
This is sexual harassment.
We'll tell everyone that you're a misogynist.
I never massaged anyone.
This is what happens when you don't respect women.
I respect women, my mom's my best friend.
What about me?